video is about an enhancement to our Customer Deposit Generator bundle. For those who are not familiar with the bundle, um, it allows using NetSuite's invoice record to create a request for a customer deposit. Now, the purpose for the enhancement is in response to a request from one of our clients to be able to use the bundle in relation with NetSuite's project record. And this to solve the problem of receiving money in advance and then being able to apply it to future invoices for time and expenses. They also requested the possibility of having multiple customer deposit requests at different points in the time span of the project. So if we look here, there's now a new subtab here called Customer Deposit Requests, and we see that we've created multiple requests for this project. And we'll go ahead and create a new one. So here is the form for creating a new customer deposit request. We see that it's linked to the project, also the customer. This is where we select the deposit type. It's possible to, in principle, have a percentage of a amount field on the project. In this case, we see that a deposit amount, so a fixed deposit amount, was auto-populated. This value is actually sourced in from the project record using NetSuite's native sourcing for custom fields. And that could then source from any field and is easily configured by going to the field definition. So to be consistent, I'm going to select here the fixed deposit amount. And the next thing I want to look at is this checkbox. So if checked on save, a deposit invoice will be automatically created. If left unchecked, you need to save and then click a button for the deposit invoice to create. So that adds a little bit extra flexibility to be able to create these requests and have them not create a deposit invoice until the end users are ready. There's also a status field which will show the status of the request, as we will see shortly. So I'll go ahead and save. I'm leaving this checked, so now a deposit invoice will auto create. We are initially navigated back to the project to see the request and now the deposit invoice. We need to navigate back here, click view. So now I see the deposit invoice has been created. And then from this point, basically, it follows the same flow as the bundle had previously. So basically, we need to accept payment. And when we accept the payment, a customer deposit is automatically created. So I'll go ahead and do that. So the customer deposit is being created by the scripts. This happens asynchronously using a schedule script. Only takes a few moments. So it's already there. And the great thing is that this customer deposit will actually auto-apply against any invoices now created directly against the project. So previously I had created this invoice, and if we go ahead and have a look, we'll see that there's a number of deposit applications. So these are all applications of customer deposits that were created using the customer deposit request custom record and payment against the deposit invoice. So this concludes this demo.